know it. Somebody die, we bury her. We eat the meat. See now, I'm still picking my tooth since that day. After chopping
so okulalela apha emzini wami mbani?
God, this fat woman, she's dog.
Odaki.
Yeah, she was.
Umntaka mankomo kuthi ukuthi. Wako mankomo la next door la. Ngiyokulalela umzini wami lapha.
Yeah, she give me direction for this.
So ubuye ngani ke? Which transport?
Okay, don't see motor. I park my thing here now. That jeep, see that jeep, black one. I live.
Ngohamba imoto lena?
Yes, right. It is my own motor. Eh, now. Huh? Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Hello. Yeah. Yes, and I'm in the village. Yes, I managed to enter here now. No, dog did not bite me at all. We thank God. Okay. Let me finish this meeting now. I'll call you. Okay, bye. Huh? Yes, now that woman, she's the one who give me direction.
So uthi ukuthi wena usipo umncwabe wethu waba lesibindi ukuthi uhlale lo mntana abantu ungamlobolanga. Yikho elikwenza khona le. Where are you from?
Okay, see now I'm trying to just slow down now.
So ufunani ke ngutshengisa want his grain. What ufunani?
Listen, bro. See, I'm here for details. See, I buried the woman. Listen to this. Tombstone, everything I prepare. I cover every corner. She will not escape even to come out for that thing. She's properly secure. Now the problem I have now, I need to write something for details. I need to write her full names. I need to write her email address.
Engwabeni. On his grave.
Yes, now I need to write proper detail for this entire. You know the story now, so that this woman can have identification. Even in heaven, she can enter first class with proper identification. This is what I'm here for. I'm here for the full names. Say it's more. Full name and surname.
Kathi wena umncwaba njani ngale ama details akwathethe. Where do you get the details?
My guy, was not supposed to eat this woman. Was not supposed to bride the meat enjoy the meat.
No, ngiyakubuza kuhle ukuthi wamncwaba njani kungena ama details. Anti konkubuza khona. How we bury him?
And in South Africa, that thing, I give them something else just for me to bury her. Now give me the proper details. I will write it for the tombstone.
Mina ngela ma proper details. Gameli wena nguthathe ngikutshengisa ugogo wakhe.
Who's that?
His grain.
Oh.
Yeah, so mina ngutshengisa ugogo wakhe abe se checka ukuthi ama birth certificate omntwana lona. But khona kukhanya ukuthi umzimbulale ngale khona ngale egoli. Wena sozungcoba umntana abantu ngamazi. Uzathatha umntwana abantu umngcwabele khona ngale umzimba wakho lale khona ngale abantwana bemdinga ngapha abangiwo bemdinga kuzahamba njani kulabantwana phela usibo abangu2 uyangizwa into engikhulumayo yini
boss I'm trying to follow
uza try but ngikho ngitsho ukuthi ulabantwana uzangcwaba umuntu ngalabantwana bengabona umzimba wakhe
boss now what am I supposed to do now? See now you're asking me too much question. I'm here for only the details for this woman. Simple. Now, give me identification particulars. I will see what to do.
Angilazo ngizakuthatha nguse kugogo wakhe. I take you to his grain. Siyazwanana? Antu le motor.
Yes, motor is there now.
Yeah, so we travel to his grain.
So we dey live now.
Yeah, let's come.
Okay.
But indlela umkhwenyana uthi nxa umkhwenyana umele ugqoke ibhrugwe elide lapha kuseZimbabwe lapha ndoda anti.
What is wrong with my trouser?
No, you put the long one and you put a jacket. Because umkhwenyana yikho.
My God, let us talk something better. And I'm here for serious stuff now. I'm talking all this nonsense. My God, give me what I want.
No, Asam. Bengakwazi ukuthi emhlabeni kunje. Ungathi nonsense phela.
Sorry.